Finally got the engine compartment up. A little plastic thing broke up there. Got to pull in there. So I guess it's time to go look and see what we got here. Still have a little bit of windshield wiper fluid. See the oil coolant. That is bone dry. That is not great. That is not great at all. We'll just close that like we didn't see it. Oh. Alrighty. Let's look at the went ahead and unbuckled this, but it's not one to open. Let's see here. Oh, shit. Alright, 1 second.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's actually pretty decent. Well, this is not clean, but inside is clean and not real well. Alright, well, we'll just. This should be bigger. Maybe not. But it's not too shabby. I'll replace that eventually. Put all this back on. What we got here? Have some oil. Not great, but not terrible either. I feel like this should go somewhere, but I feel like this is like a thing here. Something tells me this should be like that. Maybe. Oh, maybe not. Where does this go? These two go together. Oh, we have those to figure out. Let me see, what else do we have here that I don't know shit about? Where do you go? I don't know. Huh? You look like you probably go to the transmission. Well, we have transmission fluid, so that is a positive. So we for sure need coolant. Probably need to just go through the whole coolant thing. We need a new battery. We need a new filter. So pretty much the basics. Stuff you should expect to replace anyway. What else do we need? Well, I don't want to need one of those little pull tab things. And then I guess that's maybe all that we need to get it started. But I do know that we are missing a brake. Looks like probably everything that's related to brakes is missing from right here, because I know we had the caliper, the rotor, everything basically over here. So I think this is just a wheel on the hub that we'll go through. So we'll jack this one up today, figure this out, get the parts ordered for this, and then so do I see, this is the hard part. Do I do the wheel first, or do I see if the engine runs first? Because if the engine doesn't run, then there's no point in me doing the wheel. But I can see the wheel today. Alright, so this is what we'll do. We need to order a filter anyway. Need to order coolant. Well, actually I have an extra bottle of coolant, so we'll just toss that in there and see how it goes. See if we can at least get it started. If we can get it started, then we'll go ahead and work on that. So what do we need to get started? fuel, we need air, compression, no shit about compression, and ignition. Alright, so I feel like that will be fine to start if we just need to get it started, but what are one of those? We need to put some coolant in, get a battery. If we can get the battery in, we can check to see if it even runs. Alright, sounds like a plan? We'll be back. Alright, so I got my truck nearby. There is a battery with the car, but it's from 2017. So I doubt that it even runs or starts. But February 2017. And I'm just being cheap. So I'm gonna see if I can get it to jump. I doubt that it will be, just because the battery's so old. I'm gonna try jumping with my truck, and we'll see how that goes. So let's go ahead and move my truck. Alright, so try to hook this up. I don't really know which way you do it. Like I said, I'm not a professional mechanic or anything. I'm just a guy in his front yard. Can't even make it to the backyard. But one day. Don't even have a tree. But, oh. Let's see if we can get that in there. I'm sure this is probably not recommended, so don't try this at home. Just because I'm doing it at my home. Alright, looks like we got it. Alright, so I should probably pull some coolant in there just to make me feel better. Let's try that. Oh. Alright, got my funnel, about to pour this in, and we'll try it out. See how it goes. Something leaking. This might leak though. I'll just not put any more in. Put some in a little drain, but I started seeing it come out there, so we're just gonna call it that. Let's see. I gotta go get my key. Where's my key? Not there. Bada bing. Let's see if we can even get her to start. So, got my windshield. Let's see here. All right, let's put her in. Sounds like it's processing. Don't know what that warning is. Okay. I know they say that's the light's supposed to turn. Okay. Let's. Okay. turning over. Okay, there's primes. Alright. Well, we've made some kind of progress. I don't know what it was, but we've made something. So I didn't realize my mic wasn't turned on. So pretty much the Mercedes needed some fresh diesel. I'm guessing when I checked the fuel gauge, it was pretty much empty. So I went ahead and just kind of hit it with a quick refill. And yeah, so stand by as we refill the diesel. Had to go to Harbor Freight to get a new actual diesel can. And trip was successful, obviously. And diesel's super expensive. But there we go. And on Mercedes diesels, they have what's called a primer pump, which is basically like a manual fill pump, is the best way I can explain it. But basically, I'm in here just manually filling it with the new gas or new diesel.
This is bouncy. There's like springs under here.
What did she say?
All right. My wife Cheyenne's going to be the one that starts it. All right.
Is there a secret to starting it?
So put it in the ignition.
Okay.
Like normal. All right. Now turn it.
Press the brake?
You know,
it ain't got no brakes.
It ain't got no brakes. So leave it right there. Leave it right there. That light right there on the right is going to go out.
Okay.
Now try to start it like a normal car. Okay. Okay, we're almost there.
You want me to keep doing
Hold
it?
on.
I stopped
Hold on.
it.
Hold on.
I don't want to like flood it.
That's okay. Hold on. We're almost there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
What do you want me to do
You
now?
know what I'm saying? All right. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. All right. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. All right. Try it again.
Okay. You ready?
It's going to do the same thing where you have to do like the light.
Do you want me to?
Okay. You're good. And go.
Okay. Well, you got to tell me when to stop. I'm gonna keep holding it until you tell me to stop. Okay.
All right. Go.
Oh. Hold on. Wait. Let me start all over and do the light thing.
Do the light. Very close.
All right.
Did the light go off? That
okay,
right
it's
one?
off. Ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Give it some gas. Give it some gas.
Oh, hold on. I stopped. Let me try again. Okay.
Okay, we're close. We're getting close. We're getting close here. Let me tap something and make me feel better. Sorry, I had to record this a few days later. I didn't realize I didn't make a outro for the video. But we're pretty much going to cut it there. We pretty much just kept trying to start the car and it wouldn't start. So when I got a new battery and still didn't start. So we're going to try to figure things out on episode 3. If you know what I'm doing wrong or you have tips on what I should do, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.